So, hi everyone. This is the 30 days of Google Cloud info session, and here we'll be discussing about why and how this event is important for you, and what all can you learn and earn from this session. So, let me present my PPT here. I'm Harish Nayak, and I'll be the facilitator for this event, 30 days of Google Cloud. You know that this is a month-long challenge, and in today's session, we'll be discussing the Google Cloud scope and opportunities, how and why Google Cloud is so important. We all know that cloud is an integral part of our lives. We see it everywhere. We have Google Drive and all. So we'll be then discussing 30 days of Google Cloud uh, platform setup. We'll be having a tour of Quick Labs, and then we'll be talking about your rewards. So cloud technology, as we all know, is the delivery of different services through internet, including data storage services, databases. We all know this. And even if, okay, if is my voice not clear?
It is clear.
It is clear.
Maybe you would be having some network issues. Try to rejoin. If I'm going a little fast, you can tell me. Or is the pace fine?
Yeah, it is fine.
I guess it's fine.
It's fine.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. So we all know about cloud technology, right? But even if we do not know about this, even if you feel like you are a beginner in this domain, do not worry about that. The Quick Labs and the event will be offering a very beginner-friendly setup. You will be having the documentation with you, and we are there to help you out also. So there are no worries. Even if you're a beginner, you can do this event. So about the event, what are the benefits? You will be having hands-on experience about on the Google Cloud platform through Quick Labs. Quick Labs is a platform which offers you documentation and demo sessions of Google Cloud platform, where you can access all the features of that, and you can perform some tasks over there. It is an in-demand skill. As you all know, cloud is an emerging technology here, and with this you can actually evolve your resume. You can put this in your resume, and you can actually share your accomplishments through this. So about the program, we have two tracks. There is a cloud engineering track and data science and machine learning track. So what are these? Basically, you will be having some quests that you need to perform, and they'll be like getting started with create and manage cloud resources, deployment of cloud environments, building a secure network, and so. So these are some labs, some quests actually, which you have to perform in order to complete the track. There are 6 of them for each track, and one of them is common. The first one, if you see, is common in both the tracks. So in total, there are 11, and you'll be getting some rewards when you complete these 2 tracks, or either of them, depending on what you are interested to do or how much you are able to do. So even if you are not aware of machine learning, if you feel like you are not that abreast of the technology, does not matter. It will be beginner friendly, and if you have some knowledge about it, obviously it will be beneficial for you. So moving on, whenever you complete a challenge lab in every quest, there are 6 quests in each track. So whenever you will be completing a challenge lab in every quest, you will be getting a skill badge. What is skill badge? It is something that recognizes your skill set. So if you have completed the create and manage cloud resources, so you'll be getting a skill badge for that, which you can also share on your LinkedIn profiles and another social media accounts, and it has some importance. Okay. Now, what is the campaign schedule? We all know today on 5 p.m. onwards, we'll be having our registrations, and there is a limit of first 50K signups. So make sure you do it by today itself. Okay. Maybe we'll be all together doing the registration. We'll be going through it once you are done with the PPT. 5 o'clock, I'll share you the registration link, and maybe you can register over there in the meet itself. And if you face some problem, you can ask your queries, and
Do we have to do it with the DTU ID or normal Gmail ID?
Normal Gmail ID would do. It is there's no compulsion of using any college domain ID. Okay. The official campaign would be from 27th to 27th of October. But as soon as you complete your registration process, the whole process, which involves getting the credits from Google Cloud, and all the verification things happen. After that, you can start your progress with the labs. But there's no hurry in that. Once you register, the credits are being assigned to you. You can then go for the labs from 27th to 27th of October. And then accordingly, if you have completed the tracks 1 or 2 both, accordingly you will be getting your rewards from 27th of November. We'll be talking about the rewards. What are those? So how you can earn your Quick Labs credits? When you register successfully on the form which we'll be providing, after that there will be a confirmation confirmation email in which will be having a code, and that code would be you will use that code for getting the credits. Make sure you register with DTU in the form itself, right? Because they'll be asking you which GDSC do you belong to. GDSC is Google Developer Students Club. So which GDSC do you belong to? They'll be asking you that. So you need to fill in DTU. Okay. Then rewards, I think the most exciting part of any event. If you complete either of the tracks, maybe the cloud engineering track or the ML track, you would get a t-shirt and a sticker pack. Okay. And if you complete both of them, you'd be getting a t-shirt, sticker pack, a laptop bag, and a sipper bottle. So this is kind of lucrative. If you complete both the tracks, you will be getting these many swags from Google. And this is Google Cloud merchandise, and it will be having, if you see, the logos and all. So I think this could be a motivation for you to actually complete the tracks. Also, nonetheless, whatsoever, you will also be learning so much from these event. If you are not able to complete the tracks, it does not matter. If you feel like you feel like you're lost between the along the event, you can reach out to us, and it does not, it doesn't have to be that you have to complete these tracks, but make sure you do, because of course you will be having some rewards with you after the end of the event. So these are some support email IDs. If you face any problem while doing the labs, if you are like if there might be some cases where you are not supposed to do some things, and you end up doing some things that are not told you by the Quick Labs. So it might lead to suspension of your account, but do not worry. You can just email to the DSC support@quicklabs.com. They're very nice people. They'll understand that it was a mistake. It was a genuine mistake, and you were performing this lab, and it didn't turn out that well. So they'll reimburse your credits, and you can continue with your progress. And you can also have my email ID, harishnaik018@gmail.com. You can ping me also. You can write your queries on the WhatsApp group also. We have created the WhatsApp groups. You can ask anyone. You can put down your queries on the WhatsApp group, and we'll try to answer those. Okay. So we still have time for the registration. Any queries, if anyone has, I think there was
May
someone
how
in
will
chat.
our applications will be selected for this program? Like
Huh.
all.
No, there is no eligibility kind of a criteria. There's nothing like that. Anyone could apply,
So,
and
like if all the 100 students would apply, they all will be selected for this program.
100 like in the meeting, you're saying?
Yeah.
No, anyone could apply. मतलब जो meeting में नहीं है, he can also apply. He or she also can apply.
Okay.
This meeting was kept for as an info session to tell you more
No,
about
just
the.
I was asking that is
Mhm.
there any separate screening for all the
No. There's nothing like that. Nothing like that. You need to have a Quick Labs account.
Okay.
If you do not have a Quick Labs account, you would have to create that in order to go through the process. If anyone already has account, you will have to make a new account for this specific event because they'll be accessing your progress, right? They'll be checking your progress between 27th of September to 27th of October. So you need to have a different account if you already have done these tracks earlier. Like last year also, some of the tracks this last year also in this event, some of the quests were similar. So if anyone has done those last year and is willing to do the complete both the tracks this year, they can do. But you have to create a new account on Quick Labs. Okay.
Harish, can I just interject for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
So Rishabh, just to answer your question, there is no screening process, but like Harish mentioned, there is a limited number of seats. So the only criteria is that you get to the registration as quick as you can, because it's going to be following a first come first service basis.
Exactly.
Okay, Harish, back to you.
Thanks, Animesh,
One
for
more thing,
pointing that out.
Harish.
Yeah, Rishabh.
I was asking, like I don't have a Quick Lab account as of now, so do I have to create it one before filling the form, or can I create after filling the form?
In the form itself, they ask you about your public profile, the link for your public profile. So,
So it's better to create it right now.
You can, but in the registration form, you'll be given the steps how to register. So I think that would be better if you do it once you get the registration form.
So will we get the option of creating the Quick Labs account while we are filling the form?
You can just switch your tab and then Quick Lab. You can create a Quick Labs account now while filling the form.
Okay.
So that's not an issue.
Actually, we have to go through the Quick Lab store to get the public profile.
I'll show you how you can actually see the Quick Labs public profile. Okay. So I guess you'll be.
College students participate.
Sorry.
Other college students participate.
You can participate. Maybe you can ask your GDSE.
No, we don't have a GDSE.
Okay. So maybe
we get support.
Harish. So Chandan, I'm sorry to break it to you, but this program is, I think, valid only for those students who are a part of institutions that already have a GDSE.
Okay. So there's no point participating other college students.
Animesh, I think
you can try, bro.
I think they can become a member of GDSE D2 and then apply for this event. Because they need to fill in what GDSE are they a part of. So I think if they become a member of D2 GDSE through the GDSE portal, like we can become a member on GDSE portal, right? So I think that would work. Animesh?
Yeah, maybe, but as far as I know, it is recommended to only, mark yourself as a member of a GDSE if you are actually present in that college. That's the only reason I was mentioning it. But yeah, sure, it's up to
Google
you.
website also. They specifically mentioned that only the college GDSE and the facilitator of that college students will be allowed only.
Yeah, so that's why I'd recommend, unless you are like unless you're from DTU, I would request you to not put DTU as your DSC. But if you're from DTU, then yeah, definitely anybody can take part. But or even if you're from another college, you can take part in this program just as long as you have a Google Developer Student Club chapter within your college.
Okay.
Chandan,
No, only thing we expect is support. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Chandan, you can mail me your query, and I'll ping you after, like, consulting with the mentors.
Okay.
What we can do about it after the session. Maybe we can do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other query? I was showing you the quick labs. So this is how quick labs look like. This is my profile, and if you see, I go to the profile. Slow down. So this is my profile for quick labs. So you can see all these labs that I have taken. Last year I participated in the same event, 30 days of Google Cloud. I completed both the tracks, and these were the labs that I've taken. Here you can get the public profile link that would be asked you in the registration form.
Have you received the goodies and the swags?
Me? Yes, I did. Last year there was a gray colored bag. This year they have shown it will be black, but who knows?
Sir, is the target to complete all the tracks, or do we have to complete regularly for 30 days?
No, your progress will be checked only after 27th of October. So it does not matter you do it regularly or you complete it in the last week. Does not matter. It is up to you how you want to take it. I would suggest, if you are consistent about it, you are doing 1 or 2 labs each day. It hardly takes 1 hour. To complete the lab.
Okay.
So if you are consistent about it, it is beneficial for you, because last में करने से फिर you all know बहुत stress हो जाता है. It's not about the stress also. We are there to help you out. If you are facing any doubts towards the last, we are here to help you out. Does not matter. So, but try to complete it as early as you can.
भैया कितना बेसिक कर रहा था?
बिगनर लेवल है, प्रॉपर बिगनर लेवल है. उसमें मैं तुम्हें दिखा देता हूँ. आई कैन शो यू वन लैब. आई डोंट नो कितना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है लोड उनमें. प्रेजेंटेशन इज फाइन ना? प्रेजेंट तो अच्छे से हो रहा है. इफ देयर इज एनी लैग यू कैन टेल मी. Okay. So this is my public profile. So you can see all these skill badges. Maybe these are from the last year itself, no? So yeah, जैसे if there is create and manage cloud resources, you will see this one as your first lab, first quest. So these were some skill badges that I got. Okay.
So basically, we just need a Gmail account and we need to be from DTU to apply. Nothing else is needed.
Yes, nothing else is needed.
Okay.
And you need to be 18 years of age. So
Okay,
I guess
okay.
वो तो सब हैं ही, तो does not matter. ठीक है.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
सर, इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे करना है? मतलब पहले क्विक लैब पे अकाउंट बनाना है?
हाँ बता रहा हूँ. क्विक लैब्स पे अकाउंट बनाना नेसेसरी है. कुछ नहीं है वहाँ पर. यू विल, जैसे अभी यहाँ पर क्विक लैब्स मेरा ही खुलेगा ना आई गेस. हाँ, तुम लिखोगे quicklabs.com, उसके बाद there will be an option to join. You can join from there. अपना email ID चाहिए होता है बस, और कुछ नहीं. फिर उसके बाद once you have the account, then you can register. But I would suggest wait till the registration form comes in, क्योंकि registration form में last year तो they had given the steps how to create a Quick Labs account. ठीक है, क्योंकि you need to have some credits also for that. ठीक है, जैसे here if you see I have a monthly subscription for the Quick Labs, because when I joined as a facilitator, I was given a monthly subscription in order to facilitate the event. So similarly, either you would get a monthly subscription for this event, or as last year we had been given 600 credits to complete all the labs. So either of the two you would be getting. So I would request you to wait till the registration form comes in, and then after you can make the Quick Labs account simultaneously. दूसरे टैब में खोल लेना, then you can do it. ठीक है
भैया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर भी लिंक कहाँ पर आएगा?
ये वाला लिंक है ना, मेरे ख्याल से चैट बॉक्स पे है, इसका events with google.com I think.
भैया कैन यू पुट अगेन ऑन स्क्रीन?
हाँ, ये मैं डालता हूँ. Kushagra has put the ID. So you can go there. यहाँ पे if you are able to see in the presentation, इनने लिखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पे, keep an eye out for the registration form. So they'll be putting the registration form here itself. Okay, on the website itself. So go through the website. Okay. You can know so much about the event by looking at the website itself. Okay, they have mentioned the skill badges, they have mentioned the goodies, they have mentioned the program syllabus, they have mentioned both the tracks, cloud engineering track and the data science and machine learning track. There are 6 tracks, 6 labs, quests, 6 quests in each track. So you need to perform all these. How once you are done with the registration, हम तो we'll be taking an orientation also after this session maybe, where we can tell you how you will be able, how you are supposed to do the labs. But still, let me share this with you. Okay, so once you click on this lab, this quest actually, so you'll be taken here where you can see the individual labs that are in the quest. So this one's the first tour of Quick Labs in Google Cloud. It's very basic. It's very basic. If you know, I'll show you. So these are self-paced labs. You get an overview, what you will learn, prerequisites. This is the first lab, so you do not have it. Even if you're already experienced, you can go there. But this is an introductory lab. Even if you are not aware of Google Cloud or Quick Labs, it does not matter. You can still go with this. Okay. Okay. This is quite easy. Okay. There's nothing to worry about. Do register yourself. When you will be performing these labs, you will yourself come to know कि it's very easy. आराम से हो जाएगा. If you face any doubts, we are here to help you. Last year हमने भी same almost similar labs करी थी. We are here to help you. So do not worry about that. But do register. Give it a shot. I would suggest. ठीक है.
भैया हर लैब टाइम बाउंडेड है?
हाँ, टाइम बाउंड होती है, बट यू कैन गिव मल्टीपल सबमिशंस. तो वैसे तो इट रेयरली हैपेंस कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट इन द टाइम लिमिट. जैसे ये 45 मिनट्स गिवन है, आई वुड टेक हार्डली 5 मिनट्स टू कंप्लीट दिस लैब. लिटरली क्योंकि वैसे भी इंट्रोडक्टरी लैब है ये, और देयर आर जस्ट सम MCQs इन दिस लैब, सो इट हार्डली टेक्स 5 मिनट्स, लेस देन 5 मिनट्स आई वुड से. और टाइम लिमिट इट इज 45 मिनट्स. सो it hardly happens कि कभी किसी का टाइम लिमिट से एक्सीड हो रहा है, but if it does not matter, you can resubmit the lab, it will be considered. Okay.
Hello. Should
Yes.
should we be waiting in the WhatsApp or in the Google Cloud that link for the
The
link?
registration link.
Yes, sir. For the
Registration
registration.
link is in the chat box. If you would see the messages here in the Meet itself. अच्छा ये देखो जैसे this was one lab where I scored 50 points out of 100. ठीक है, I was not able to complete this lab in the time. ठीक है, but I was able to resubmit it and it was accepted later on. तो हाँ ये देखो ना, जैसे अगर ये नाम है ETL processing of the on Google Cloud using Dataflow and BigQuery. The same you would see here. ETL processing on Google Cloud using Dataflow and BigQuery. It was completed. So it does not matter if you are not able to complete in that particular time. You can resubmit it and it will be considered. ठीक है? Or it is quite easy. It hardly there's any problem with this. But obviously you have to be consistent. You have to complete the labs. ठीक है? For in order to get the swags, and also the learning outcome is quite good. You will learn so much about Google Cloud, data modeling. You learn so much about this. I think it's 5 p.m. ना, तो एक बार let's check कि हमारा लिंक एक्टिवेट हो गया है कि नहीं रजिस्ट्रेशन. Enroll in program. You would see here enroll in program. Kushagra, could you please put the link in the WhatsApp groups also? So here is enroll in the program here. ठीक है? You can click on enroll on program. I'm not a robot. Okay. The form is active. Everyone can start registering.
We can use a normal Gmail account. No?
Normal Gmail
Gmail
account.
DTU.
हाँ, normal Gmail account. So in select institution name, you have to put in DTU. You'll find Delhi Technology University here. You can make sure you do this. कोई और institution मत भर देना. Okay.
सर्वर ही ओवरलोड हो गया है. Too many requests आ रहा है.
हाँ, तो you can wait. ये अभी वही है ना कि there are limited seats, so everyone is trying to get it right now. You can refresh अगर उसके बाद होता है तो.
ऐसा कोई कंपल्जन तो नहीं है कि पर्सनल आईडी से करना है, डीटीयू से नहीं कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ओके.
क्विकलैब अकाउंट में क्या करना है, नो या यस?
अगर तुम्हारे पास नहीं है, यू कैन गो फॉर नो आई वांट टू क्रिएट वन. या फिर अभी क्या करो, तो लेट्स सी, वो करके देखो इफ व्हाट हैपेंस. मैं भी वही करके देखता हूँ. लेट्स सी.
The ink is not working.
There's a lot of traffic क्योंकि अभी everyone is trying to fill in the forms. तो हाँ मेरे में भी आ गया. Due to heavy traffic, it might not work. कोई नहीं. Try to refresh and then try again. If we get any communication from the mentors over in the Google Cloud, कि they are like postponing or anything, we'll definitely tell you. But try to do it. Try to refresh and then do it. Kushagra, you can stop the recording.